Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for June 27, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, OpenAI drops GPT-5.6 Sol preview, Sun era begins with coding, science and cybersecurity focus, Gemini 3.5 Flash adds native computer use, UI automation now affordable for startups, OpenAI launches Patch the Planet, AI-powered open-source vulnerability patching goes live, GPT 5.5 Instant gets major upgrade, more fun to talk to, intent-aware, adaptive responses. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. OpenAI just dropped the GPT 5.6 Sol preview, not just another version bump, but the first true successor to GPT-5, branded Sol like the sun, hinting at a foundational shift in their entire model lineup. It's laser-focused on three high-stakes domains: coding, scientific research, and cybersecurity, all fortified with OpenAI's most advanced safety stack yet. But here's the catch: it's still a preview. No launch date. No pricing. No specs. Just massive implications for every developer betting on OpenAI's stack. Google just made UI automation way more accessible. Gemini 3.5 Flash now has native computer use, meaning your agents can actually see and click buttons across browsers, phones, and desktops. Unlike flagship models from OpenAI or Anthropic, this power lands in Flash, Google's budget-friendly, fast response line. Translation? Building browser automation or cross-app agents just got significantly cheaper and faster to prototype. OpenAI isn't just talking about AI security, they're shipping it. Meet GPT 5.5 Cyber, a dedicated defense model now live in all API tiers, and the bold new Patch the Planet program, an open initiative that helps open-source maintainers go from bug discovery all the way to merged fixes, automatically. This isn't scanning or alerting anymore. It's end-to-end, AI-driven patch generation and validation, and it's available right now. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. OpenAI just upgraded its workhorse model, GPT 5.5 Instant, and they didn't just tweak the numbers. They made it more fun to talk to, with sharper intent recognition and adaptive pacing and tone. As OpenAI's most used model, racking up nearly 10,000 likes, this update quietly lifts the bar for every chat-based app and agent relying on it. If your product uses Instant, A/B testing this version isn't optional, it's urgent. Inside OpenAI, the future isn't being debated, it's already deployed. Their economic research team just confirmed a full company pivot from chat to delegation. Codex now handles long-running, cross-departmental workflows, not just Qwen. Sam Altman and Greg Brockman both amplified the message, saying agent adoption is very fast and actively speeding up real work. This isn't theory. It's the most credible, real-world proof yet that agents are moving past prototypes into production, at the very company building the models. Cursor just gave MCP, the Model Context Protocol, center stage. Their new team customization hub surfaces top-rated plugins, skills, and especially MCP integrations, ranked by your own team and installable with one click. Why does it matter? Because MCP is rapidly becoming the universal plug-and-play standard for AI tools, and Cursor's move proves it's no longer niche. If your agent platform relies on context-aware tooling, MCP compatibility isn't future-proofing, it's table stakes. Alibaba's Qwen just dropped a serious contender for local agent development, AgentWorld-35B a MoE model with 35 billion total parameters, but only 3 billion active at once. That means it runs efficiently on consumer GPUs, no cloud dependency required. Paired with the new AgentWorld benchmark, it gives developers a ready-made, open testbed for evaluating how well agents learn, adapt, and act in complex simulated worlds. This isn't just another big model, it's an entire local agent lab, open-sourced. IBM just entered the agent framework race, not with another heavyweight, but with CUGA, a lightweight, contextual generative agent toolkit released openly on Hugging Face. It comes packed with over 20 runnable examples, from simple task assistants to multi-step planners, making it ideal for validating ideas fast. While LangChain and AutoGPT handle enterprise-scale orchestration, CUGA fills the critical gap, getting from what if to it works in under 5 minutes. Speed, simplicity, and shipping, that's IBM's new agent mantra. Deploying LLMs just got stupidly simple. Hugging Face now integrates vLLM directly into its jobs platform, so you can launch a production-ready, high-throughput inference server with literally one command. No Kubernetes configs. No GPU node tuning. No waiting. For teams building private agents or testing open models, this slashes deployment time from hours or days down to seconds, and brings enterprise-grade inference within reach of any dev with a HF account. Anthropic just made a major play beyond models. They've joined Raise US as a founding partner, a nonprofit coalition laser-focused on AI-driven workforce training, employer partnerships, and smart policy. Why does it matter? Because it confirms AI companies aren't just building smarter tools, they're investing heavily in ensuring humans can use them effectively, at scale. If your agent product targets enterprises, human readiness isn't a footnote, it's part of the value stack. Google DeepMind just teamed up with A24, the indie powerhouse behind Everything Everywhere All at Once, to co-design AI creative tools from the ground up. The goal? Ensure the next wave of AI video, script, and editing tools is built with creators, not just for them. This isn't Hollywood greenlighting AI, it's underground filmmakers demanding a seat at the table. For agent builders in creative tech, this signals where the most authentic, commercially viable AI tools will emerge, at the intersection of craft and code. Mark your calendars. OpenAI DevDay 2026 is happening September 29th in San Francisco, and applications close July 10th. This is the single most important event for anyone building on OpenAI's stack. It's where major API expansions, new model launches, and strategic shifts get unveiled. With GPT-5.6 Sol already previewed, all eyes are on DevDay for its official debut, and if you're building agents, missing this could mean falling behind on the next year's foundational capabilities. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.